buddy. This week we're doing a 2007 Jetta City with the 2-liter BEV engine. Now this is the same thing as a Mark IV Jetta, except it's the Canadian version. So I'm using a 21393 MP Napa filter. You'll need an 8mm hex key, a 14mm aluminum crush washer, 4.5 quarts or 4.2 liters of 5W40 Euro oil, some ramps, an oil drain pan, a funnel, and some rags. Let's get started. The first thing, as always, is going to be to open the hood. There's this little pull tab that you pull out to open them, and then we'll remove the oil fill cap. Going underneath the engine, you're going to see your drain plug, which is an 8mm hex, and it's got this plastic washer which I replaced with an aluminum one. And then moving forward, you'll see the oil filter on the engine there. We'll remove that now, and as you can kind of tell, this car is older and it's had some work done, so it's dripping all over the AC lines that are just zip tied out of the way. I'm going to pre-fill this Napa filter, even though it is mounted on an angle. I put too much oil in and you're going to see it dripping out, but I think pre-filling is better than just dry fitting it in most cases, even though yes, it does make a little bit more of a mess. Your engine's not going to start dry, which I think over the lifetime of a vehicle, especially where this is 18 years old, it'll probably average out and help me out. Don't forget to put some oil in the O-ring so it doesn't get stuck to the engine block. So let's go ahead and install the new oil filter right back up into position. And once you get the O-ring seated against the engine block, just give it 3/4 to 1 full turn, and then that's all the torque you need. You do not need to crank these filters on. Now, using an 8mm hex key, crack loose your drain plug, and I'm replacing the plastic drain washer with an aluminum one. Reinstall your drain plug with your new crush washer and tighten it down. If you found these videos helpful at all, it would be really helpful to me if you left a like, subscribe, and possibly even a comment. And ring the bell if you want to see each week's video. Something I use all the time is the AMSOIL vehicle lookup feature. You can put your year, make, and your model in, and it will give you the exact oil and filter that you will need. Now, they often suggest AMSOIL filters or Wix filters, and sometimes they're not released. And in this case, for the 2007 Jetta City, they don't have any oil data. So I'm going to look up a 2004 Mark IV Jetta with the same engine, and it's going to come up with the 5W40 oil that we need and the appropriate oil filter. Now let's add our 4.5 quarts of 5W40, and again we're using the Amsoil European oil. So the last thing I'm going to do is check the oil and replace the oil fill cap, and that's it for this car. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next week.